Keto diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that aims to rewire our metabolism process. Keto diet helps you lose weight by putting your body into ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic process. When the body does not have enough glucose for energy, it burns stored fats instead. This results in a buildup of acids called ketones within the body. When you eat minimal carbohydrates, your body produces ketones for energy. Ketones are made in your liver from fatty acids found in food or your own body fat. Therefore, your liver actually burns fat to make ketones. When you start on a keto diet, the first week can be difficult. You may have symptoms associated with carbohydrate deficiency like headache, tiredness, muscle aches, mental fogging and hunger pangs. During these times, Keto Resources provides step-by-step information about the food you can gorge on. Keto Resources will allow all leafy greens, chicken, beef, eggs, cheese, nuts and bacon are all welcome foods. Keto Resources is a 28-day diet plan which narrows down to the precise understanding of everything that goes into eliminating carbs from your diet. It also includes 10 expert guides which answer all of your questions that come up during the 28-day Keto Challenge. Expert Guides: 1. Keto Diet Basics. 2. Eating well on keto. 3. Staying in ketosis. 4. Mastering macros. 5. Beating keto flu. 6. Intermittent fasting. 7. Social situations. 8. Guilt-free desserts. 9. Yummy avocado recipes. 10. Keto Supplements Guide. The 28-day Keto Challenge is the perfect option for anyone who is ready to challenge themselves to become healthier and fitter. Pros: Keto Resources is significantly easy to understand and follow. It helps your body to effectively shift from a whole grain-based carb diet to a fat-rich routine. You don't need to purchase any pre-packaged items while using this Keto Resources system. This system suggests weight reduction goals within the safe limits of 2 to 3 pounds per week. This guide is designed to help you understand meal division in the form of breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, and even desserts throughout the whole month. Cons: no hard copy is available. You can't see any results before 1 month. This program is only available on the official website of its creator. I have researched a lot and contacted the author to get a discount coupon, and finally I have got one. Though this program is normally priced at $79, you will be able to get it at a huge discounted price of only $37 with my coupon. To activate my official website discount coupon, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.